We know that they are coming up. It's a new, let's say, it's a new business arising with lots of opportunities for everyone. And everyone is very interested in making business. But they have to take into consideration that that airspace is also, let's say, a little bit occupied with other aircrafts. And so they need to also focus or follow some rules, and they need some identification also. So our idea is, drones will come up, they will rise. We expect 400,000 drones in commercial use within the next 1 or 2 years, just in Germany. And of course, we need to integrate them in the existing environment of aviation. And this is one of our key facts which we are here for. So we try to integrate these drones into the existing environment. And this is one of our main topics here. Technical solutions, it's actually very easy. We make the drones a flying smartphone. It's pretty easy. Maybe giving a little bit more explanation about if you talk about that very low airspace where drones are flying, drones are for the air navigation service providers or for ATC invisible. So they are not able to see them because they are so small. They will not be identified on any radar screen. And even if they fly higher, they will not be seen. So our idea is try to make these drones visible, and therefore we use LTE connectivity. That means drone flies within 100 meters, for example, and they have a connection to any LTE tower, and then we transport these data to the ATC environment and make them visible on radar screens. We can also make them visible on, let's say, on the remote control of that pilot. So we're shifting that data back to the pilot so that he can avoid any other traffic. And this is our idea. Pretty simple. And our idea is more or less setting a standard in Europe that everyone uses the standard, will be visible on any ATC, this is air traffic service provider, so Deutsche Flugsicherung, for example, they will be visible. And then, of course, traffic can be shifted around, or you can avoid other traffic while you see yourself and you see also other traffic. And this makes the airspace safe again. And our focus is to integrate drones into the existing environment and not to handle them as somebody, as a stranger, and we don't want them. So we want to cope with them, we want to find solutions for them, that we have a safe environment in aviation. That would be perfect, but I don't think that will be history. But of course, we have also solutions for this. So we talk about drone detection, for example. Our main focus is not drone detection, but we will detect drones which are using our LTE devices, and of course, other traffic ATC already knows. So drawing the picture a little bit more, so we have someone who's dealing with drone detection. So they will detect any vehicle flying around 2-5 kilometers, whatever radar coverage or whatever coverage they have. They send us that data, and DFS or Droniq will then say, okay, we know certain traffic we know. Let's say they give us 10 traffic points, and we say, okay, we know 9 already. So we can take this one remaining, and maybe then the drone detection system or the airport should take a little closer look on that one nobody knows. So that in the end, then you have a better feeling of what might be, let's say, potential hazard within the next minutes. And that's what we do. So we identify the good ones and give them back to the drone detection system, and then they can see which one should be the one that you should take a closer look.